Welcome to Farquhar Station, everyone. Hope you've enjoyed your travels on Thomas's branchline. Right on time as usual, I say, Thomas. Thank you, Terrence. I try my best. Wait, what's that? Seems to be a cow, Thomas. Wait, what's it doing? Hey! What are you doing? Shoo! Shoo! No, not moo. Move! I swear these cows are so stubborn. Moo! Moo! Thomas. I wish I could be as cool as Thomas. Oh, hello, Rosie. How's it going? Well enough, Edward. Is something bothering you, dear engine? Yeah, actually. Thomas... I've seen Thomas as like my bigger brother for years. But... he's just so cool. He seems almost perfect. Why do I deserve to be his little sister? Well, you know, Rosie, Thomas wasn't always as useful as he is now. I remember when he started out. He used to be a very impatient engine. And look at him right now. He's still very impatient. Oh, come on, you stupid cow. Move! There it is. Move, will you? Patience now, Thomas. The farmer will be along to move it away any minute now. Great. The sooner, the better. Well, I see your point. But what was that about the old days? Oh, yes. Back in the old times, back when he first came to Sodor, Thomas was, pardon my language, a bit of a klutz. He wasn't as useful as he is now. He tried his best. But he failed more than he succeeded. Please tell me, Edward. Well, okay. I'll tell you about Thomas's start. It all started roughly 80 years ago. Back when we used to film videos on the floor. Thomas was a much younger engine back then. He looked considerably smaller than he did now. And he didn't have any of his updates yet. Before Thomas arrived, there were only 3 of us. Myself, Gordon, and Henry. Oh, the eruptor of laughter the moment Thomas rolled up alongside us. Henry and Gordon hated him. They thought he was nothing more than a klutz, a silly little engine, who didn't even deserve to be amongst the ranks of them. But boy, were they going to be proven wrong about that engine. However, it would take Thomas a few incidents in order to fully understand. Beep, beep, off we go. Wait, Thomas, you're leaving the coaches behind. Oh, yes. Thomas was a very klutzy engine. And after his first time pulling trucks, well, let's just say Thomas learned his lesson after that. But one fateful day, Alright, crew. I've ordered a new engine to stand alongside you all. May I introduce you to James. He looks silly. The rest of us are blue and green. Why is he red? Because I'm a splendid engine, and you wouldn't understand. He's gonna have problems. And for I think the first time in Thomas's career, he was right. For on the very same day that James arrived... Help! Help! Oh! James! Thomas! Wait! Oh dear. On! Faster! Faster! I don't want to go any faster! My brakes! No! Stop! I want to stop! James! James! Oh, Thomas! Thomas, help! Use your brakes! What? Use your brakes! I can't! They're on fire! They're made of wood! Oh. I'm going to try and couple up behind you, James. I'm going to try and slow you down. Hurry, Thomas! Hurry! Couple me up! I need to slow James down. What? Come on! Wait, no! Oh no, it's too late! I'm coming off the rails! No. James! Oh. James! Thomas. Oh, James, I'm so sorry. I shouldn't have made that remark about you earlier. Wasn't your fault, Thomas. Please, help. Stay right there, James. I'll go and get help. That's all I can do. So, Thomas returned with the breakdown crane. Wait a second. Harvey isn't a breakdown crane. Just roll with it, Rosie. Visual liberty, you know? We don't have a breakdown crane. Oh, okay. Return to the story. So, Thomas took the empty trucks away, biffing them around backwards and forwards all day. This'll teach you a lesson. Yes, it will. Whoa! And then, Thomas watched as the breakdown train got set to work. Do-do-do. 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 Do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do. He tried to move, but he couldn't. So Thomas had to help him back to the yard. On the way, the two engines talked. Thank you for saving me, Thomas. I don't know why I'd bothered after I've been so pompous and vain. Oh, come on now. You really think I'd let those trucks put a really useful and really splendid engine like you out of commission so soon? No, that wouldn't be good now, would it? No, it wouldn't. Let's get you home, champ. That evening, after he dropped off James, Thomas returned to the sheds, where the other engines were waiting to cheer him on, including me. What you did today was terrific, Thomas. Well done, Thomas. I knew you could be useful. Even Gordon seemed impressed. However, Controller Jacob was so happy with Thomas's performance that he offered him a branch line of his very own. A branch line of my own? Yes, you heard me right, Thomas. A branch line of your own. Hooray for Thomas! Yay! But wait a second, everyone. There's something I need to say first. I just don't know how to put it. I think I know what it is. After going on your life-changing journey, you now realize you don't want what you thought you wanted. What you really wanted was inside you all along, and as such you will remain a station pilot. Are you crazy? I was just going to tell you that your coal train's over there. Wait, what? A branch line! This is the greatest day of my life! Achoo! Ocean man, take me by the hand, lead me to the land that you understand. And with that, Thomas became a really useful engine. He gained Annie and Clarabelle, his own personal coaches, and he's loved them like wives ever since. Oh, and James also learned to resent literally everything about Thomas. The end. And that's basically Thomas's story. Wow. Thomas had a lot of scrapes in his past. Oh, you don't know the half of it. He also left his god behind at the station. He got fish in his boiler at one point. Terrence had to pull him out of the snow. He raced a bus. Yeah, Thomas had a lot of exciting adventures. But, I think some of his greatest are probably still to come. Huh. Well, maybe he hopes that too. You know what? Suddenly, I don't feel as bad about being his sister. I hope that maybe someday I can be as great as he is now. Knowing that Thomas had a struggled past himself leads me to think that maybe someday I can rise to his level too. I'm sure you'll do wonderful, my dear. Thanks for talking to me, Edward. No problem, Rosie. How long is it going to take for this stupid farmer to get here? This cow needs to get off of the tracks. Oh, hello, Thomas. Huh. I see my cow has wandered onto the line again. You don't know the half of it. I'll get it. Come on, Bessie, off the line. Murr. Murr. Oh, I think it's taking a liking to you, Terrence. Oh, I can't stay here with it. Is it far enough off the tracks for me to leave? If I can stand properly, yes, it should be. Well, thank you very much. My 80th birthday. It's a very exciting one. Well, 80 years come and gone. And here's to another 80 in the future. Do, 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 do. Happy 80 anniversaries to the Thomas the Tank Engine franchise. And even though the show is probably ending this year, here's to 80 more years of prosperity, friendship, and teamwork. Give it up for 80 years of Thomas the Tank Engine. Yeah, that's right, losers. I still exist. Push Along Thomas lives. And you know what? I'll be the one to crush the camera this time. Die! Die!